Um, Hi guys, I guess. Today we will be driving the diamond block again. This time with a few improvements. The thrusters, the puncher, another seat, the note, a note that okay. Let's just launch. And then the puncher. Okay. Basically, these will help me get the treasure too. The puncher will help. Whoa! Whoa! Do you see that? Comment down below. That was fast to the next level if you see this. That was so cool. What do you think of my boat also? Comment down below. It will reach the end. Because I did reach the end earlier with it. Another wheel down. That means we'll have to ride with that one. I should have not done that. I think the puncher can. No, yeah. Now I'm stuck. Come on, thruster. Come on, thrusters. You're not helping me right now. Oh no! No red. I can't really. Do I have to wait here an eternity, or I bet the boat kind of washed away to the treasure, or not? But I loaded it again. It will take a faster load. Okay. Now, since we have the thrusters, they won't work already. Anyways, let's go on. Never use the thrusters. Only when we are at the level with the lighthouse on it, I will use it. Actually, when we're at the treasure island, I'll use it so it can speed up a little bit. I'm pretty sure the boat will get destroyed if I teleport. Also, we will do the foundational plan soon. Let me reach the treasure, I'll do it, okay? For y'all. It will break all the spots, kind of, but not the thrusters. It's time to use the thrusters for now. Just only once. What? I keep doing that. You know what? I'm just gonna wait till I reach that end. I think I out-teleport already. Now I have wheels on the top. The wheels on the top goes round and round. Round and round. Round and round. The wheels at the top go round and round. All through the town. I did not mean to sing that, but that was pretty helpful from the I did not sing that. That's what I meant. It was the plushie that sang it. The wheels on the bus go. Stop singing. I do not want to sing it yet. Anyways. Wait a minute. The thrusters flipped the boat over, and now... Oh no, I should have thunk of this before. I had to switch it around so it wouldn't get me. I'm smart. Like the creeper. He knows every math problem. Like, apparently, he got me on the division test. What is 9 divided by 3? And that was easy. But he only gave me an easy test though. But don't worry. I'm not that smart, but he will. But I'm not that smart, but it wasn't that hard at all. It was hard for me earlier, but it was easy. It turned out to be a little easy. Whoa! I think, you know what? It's time to use the teleport. Apparently the teleport teleported me to the wrong place. I'm in the laundry. No. Yeah, and some ketchup got on me from the pancake level. I'm about to take a screenshot of how the boat cracked a little bit, but it cracked. See all those cracks? I'm gonna teleport in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so apparently, here's the image of how it was. This isn't really the image. I should have showed you it before when I teleported to the end, but I didn't have to. You saw it. I saw that. Anyway. Come on, big money! Close on me. Close on me. Close on me. It closed on me, but I slipped up. And that is how you get treasure in your house, kids. I'm about to make a robot. Catch you soon. Bye, guys.